Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Today let's make something very special, a no oil prawns curry. You know, when I was back at my hometown in Kerala, we made something very close to my heart, a no oil prawns curry. It's so simple yet bursting with flavors, and the best part, no oil at all. We had bought 1 kg of big prawns, and the very first thing was cleaning. One by one, we removed the shell. Deveined the dirt and gave it a good wash with salt and lemon juice until the water turned clear. Then came the marination. Just 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mixed well and left aside for 10 minutes. While the prawns rested, I grated a small coconut and blended it with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera into fine paste. That creamy mixture was going to make all the difference. If you love easy and homely recipes like this, do support me with a like so I know you are enjoying it. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Next, I gathered the rest of the magic, a soaked lemon-sized tamarind, 1 pod of garlic, a small piece of ginger, a few curry leaves, 8 to 10 shallots, 3 green chilies and 2 tomatoes. So our prawns have absorbed the spices well for 10 minutes. I added the coconut paste over them. Then slowly went in the chopped tomatoes, sliced chilies, sliced shallots, sliced ginger and garlic. Then I added the tamarind pulp, which gave the curry its tangy depth. What makes this curry special is that there's absolutely no oil, just the natural flavors blending together beautifully. I gave it a gentle stir, adjusted the salt, and then let it cook on the stove for about 8 to 10 minutes, swirling in between. Finally, I dropped in a few curry leaves, checked the salt, and it was just perfect. So there it was, my tasty no oil prawns curry or Chemmeen curry, straight from my Kerala kitchen. That day, along with it, we also had fish curry, cucumber pachadi, papadam, and banana flower thoran, that is kumbu thoran, a complete homely spread. I'll be sharing those recipes soon as well. So friends, did you enjoy this little food journey with me? If yes, please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to tap the bell icon for my updates. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy cooking and stay blessed.